sa pogi?
Saan po? Joke lang. Joke lang. Siguro kasi sinasabayan ko lagi yung trip ng groom. Kaya kung anong niya, nahahawa din ako.
Hi love, ngayon ikakasal na tayo. Grabe, sobrang saya ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-express, kung paano to sabihin, pero ito yung pinakamasayang point ng buhay ko. Ikaw at ako ay para sa isa't isa. Pag ikaw ay nandyan, para bang ang lahat ay gumagaan. Di mapigilan ang aking nararamdaman. Pau Pau, my love, thank you for supporting me with the things I like. Huwag kang mag-alala, forever ko ding sasabayan ng trip. Wow! Wow! Ako lang yan. Wow! Sundaya mo. Kulang regalo ko sa'yo.
Tawang-tawa. Sabi niya, hi love, ito muna ang gift ko sa'yo. After nito, sabay tayo mag-chill ng inner child. Wow!
Ayaw kong malas ang aking pagtingin sa'yo. Oo, ayaw nang mahiwalay kahit na panghabang buhay na mag-iintay. Oh wait, di na pala makapaghintay. Sabik na sa iyong pag-ibig, and all emotions start to get real. Oh boy, I love how you make me feel. Yeah, parang di ka panipaniwala. Si Cupido ang puso ay pinanap. Pag ikaw ay nandyan, lahat ay gumagaan. Yeah, yeah, mapigilan ang aking nararamdaman.
Promise ko sa'yo, kahit anong mangyari, sasamahan kita sa kahit anong step na gusto mo gawin sa buhay. Magkasama natin gagawin yun. Good or bad, pagsasamahan natin yun. Yun lang. I love you.
Finally, after 12 years, we are getting married. Grabe, wala akong masabi. Pero ang amazing lang, because of your courage to tell me I'm starting to like you nung Paskuhan, eto na tayo. Alam kong inaasar ka nila na nag-usher 24 hours. Or natawag ka na ni Mamang Asungot, pero kita mo naman nasa na tayo. Pero kidding aside, we had so many ups and downs, and ang daming times na sumuko ako. Pero thank you for... Right. Oh, I wanna be with you every single day for the rest of our lives. Iyak na ako.
home with you.
Mama, hey, Mama
Safely fall.
Bea, you are my answered prayer even before I knew you. I still remember asking God that I'm not rushing in anything, and if He will provide me one, please make it the one that I will marry and spend my lifetime.
Thank you for being strong for us. And because of it, wala na tayong uuwi na ako kasi sa akin ka na uuwi.
You've changed since you met me, and I feel I've done the same. But I've changed for the better, and you're the one to blame. That's why I wanna be with you every single day.
Hindi ko na laging sasabihing miss ko si Christian kasi ikaw na ang makakasama ko habang buhay. I love you so much. No words can ever grasp how much I love you. My love, my best friend, my soulmate, my pahinga. Let us continue this journey together with the guidance of our ministry and with God being the center of our marriage.
I will be your home that will look forward to seeing you every day, your home that will be your safe haven, where you will always feel comfortable and safe, where you can rest and recover from everything you face all throughout. I will be your home that will always love you and everything about you. I will always stay and will always be your home.
Gonna work on my temper while you learn to speak your mind some more. I'll be more of a shelter and less of a storm, while we both are working on ourselves in our own ways. I just wanna be with you every single day. Oh, I wanna be with you every single
Father, thank you for your word. And thank you, God, for this institution, this relationship, and this covenant called marriage. Thank you for the blessing of having a spouse, having a husband, or having a wife. And thank you, God, for every married couple here. I declare your blessing upon them.